This is Japanese Mosquito.
And Tsunami, of course.
We are reporting today
on the nature of women. And as we're talking here, three very, very beautiful women are approaching us right now. Are approaching us right now as we speak. Shh, wait, here they come. Shh, right there. Oh my god, we found a fine specimen today.
Look here, what do we have here? My goodness.
My god, look at that.
Look at that.
Oh my god, look at the hips on that one.
Oh my god.
Lordy, Lord.
What was that?
Uh-oh. Oh, did you make a noise?
No.
Shit.
Oh my god.
Fuck. I think we've been spotted.
What are you guys doing up there?
Nothing.
We're just chilling.
You're gonna fall. Cameraman, you're gonna fall. You should be careful. You're gonna fall too.
They found us.
Oh, shit.
They spotted us. What are we gonna do?
Chris, don't go anywhere.
Oh my god.
Stand still. Stand still.
Be careful.
Don't, maybe if we don't move.
Oh god.
Maybe if we don't move, they'll catch us.
Okay.
Oh my god,
Okay.
they're leaving.
Chris, dude.
Oh,
You see him? Oh shit! Chris! Grab my hand, you fucker! Grab my hand! Oh my god, they're gonna get you, dog! They're gonna get you!
Run, Joey, run!